Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed and don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 1.13. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.61%. This means that on average, it has returned 0.52% per day since being labeled as a buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there may be a potential minus 2.79% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 10.81% and minus 2.79%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 38% change over the next year. This could result in a return ranging from 28.72% to 56.53%. In terms of price, this equates to a range of $480.05 to $583.78 after 1 year. Our latest update for QQQ shows that Wednesday was a positive day for the ETF. On the last trading day, Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.0644%, going from $372.70 to $372.94. This marks its 9th consecutive day of gains. While it's not common for ETFs to rise for so many days in a row, it's normal to see some falls or pauses in the upward trend. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $370.62 and a high of $373.78, showing a 0.85% variation. In the last 10 days, the price has risen in 9 of them, resulting in a 6.45% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 14 million, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $12.71 billion. It's important to consider that when volume decreases while prices rise, it may indicate a divergence and potentially signal future changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $387.98, while the lowest was $259.73. Currently, the price is 3.88% or $15.04 below the 52-week high, and 8.75% or $35.77 below the all-time high on November 22, 2021, when it reached $408.71. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for QQQ. Let's start with the chart analysis. Overall, the chart is showing mostly positive signals for QQQ. Both the short and long-term moving averages are signaling a buy, which is a positive indicator for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals is also favorable, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. However, it's important to note that if the stock experiences a downward correction, there is support at $364.83 and $360.41. If the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. Now, let's dive into the recent performance. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 8.52%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also indicating a buy signal. However, it's important to keep an eye on the volume. Despite the gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's crucial to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator also provided a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $368.59. This means that there might be a good opportunity to buy when this support level is being tested, as we can expect an upward reaction. It's important to note that QQQ is usually traded at a good volume, which is a positive sign. Additionally, with minor daily changes, the risk associated with this ETF is considered to be low. Looking at the recent performance, QQQ had a price range of $3.16, 0.85%, between its high and low in the last day. Over the past week, the daily average volatility for this ETF has been 1.01%. Before we explore the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's begin by understanding some essential fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This significant ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a diminished expectation for the company's future or even undervalued stocks, suggesting a potential opportunity for buying. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market is trending upward, the first resistance level for QQQ is located at $374.21. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market takes a downward turn, QQQ will encounter its first support level at $368.59. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $360.31, which is a decrease of 3.39%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 9 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, there are several short-term signals that indicate a potential buying opportunity. Our analysis of the volatility and recent movements shows that the current price is overvalued. On Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open down $0.493, starting trading at $372.45. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.